Hello po mga ka-viral, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Latest update na tumbok na ang ginawa ni General Karamat sa pagtulong kay Alice Go upang patakasin ito sa bansa. Isang general ang nasa listahan ng PAOK at Bureau of Immigration na di umano'y tumulong upang patakasin si dismissed Mayor Alice Go at mga kapatid nito. Ginisa ngayong araw sa Senate hearing si General Karamat sa naging papel nito sa pagtakas ni Alice Go at naging koneksyon nito kay Mayor Dong Kalugay at Alice Go. Inamin din ni Mayor Dong Kalugay kung gaano sila ka-close ni General Karamat. Matatandaang naging matunog ang pangalan ni General Karamat noong pagkatapos makatakas ang maraming mga big boss ng Pogo Hub sa Bamban, Tarlac. Sa raid na isinagawa ng PAOK o Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission dahil isang general di umano ang nag-leak ng raid at nagpatakas sa mga big boss ng nasabing Pogo Hub. At dito na na-link ang pangalan ni General Karamat. Siya din ang itinuturong tumatanggap ng buwan ng payola kay dismissed Mayor Alice Go bilang mayor at konektado sa Pogo. Bilang protektor ng Pogo Hub, narito ang matinding revelasyon kay General Karamat ngayong araw sa Senate hearing.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Binigyan ko lang kayo ng chance kanina, kaya pangalawang round na to na...
Yes,
sige po, go ahead, General.
The reason why I was being called every time there was a hearing on this, because initially I was suspected to be involved in the Pogo dahil yung mga nag-raid ng Pogo, na mga CIDG personnel, was relieved accordingly. And assume na nirelieve ko itong mga taong ito dahil they presume also that I was a protector of the Pogo. But I explained it already in toto, this matter, the Congress, the reason why all those CIDG personnel who were involved in that trade. May rason talaga po na talagang may impending revamp, Madam Chair.
Salamat, General. Pero timing talaga, no? Impending revamp, pero natuloy talaga kasunod ng successful raid na iyon ng PAOK sa tulong ng CIDG personnel noon. Meron akong kuling tatlong tanong sa PAOK, and then bibigyang daan ko na yung aking mga colleagues simula sa SP pro tempore. Yusek Cruz, nung nakaraang hearing, tinanong ko po kung yung huling raid nyo sa Cebu naman ay...
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Were you informed about it?
No, sir.
Did they ask help from you? Did you give any advice to PAOK?
I was been on leave. That's the reason why maybe I was not informed of the second raid in the Pogo in Banban, Mr.
Kailan
Chair.
niyo po nalaman, sir, na ni-raid na?
After I arrived, sir, from vacation, Mr. Chair.
So after you arrived, when was that? A day or two after?
Immediately after my vacation, Mr. Chair.
So when was that search? That the same day that they raided, or?
I was still on leave when they conducted the raid, Mr. Chair.
Opo, nung dumating na po kayo, mga ilang araw na po yun natapos yung raid?
I think
Kahit estimate lang, sir.
3 to 4 days after the raid was conducted,
Opo,
Mr.
and
Chair.
nagbigay ho kayo ng payo sa kanila because you said from the first raid, kasama ho kayo?
Well, to be honest, Mr. Chair, I was upset why I was not informed.
Okay.
It was a slap on my face as the director of the CIDG, and they used my men in that trade, and they didn't bother to inform me, so I was upset. But I understand my men that they are just following orders from the chief PNP, so I helped them in their investigation. But even though, honestly, I was upset, and I confronted the chief PNP why he didn't inform me of that trade. So
Who was
and I
the chief
offered
PNP?
General Acorda then, Mr. Chair, sir.
You said you were upset. You claimed that it was a slap on your face. Pero nagbigay tulong pa rin po kayo. Is that correct? Anong tulong po yung binigay ninyo?
I directed all my investigators to assist in filing the case against that in that Pogo operation.
Sir, sabi niyo slap in your face because your men actually yung mga tao po ninyo, yung kasamang nag-raid. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko po, Madam Chair, ang CIDG NCR po ang tumulong sa PAOK, hindi yung sa regional. Is that correct?
CIDG NCR is still under my command,
Yes,
Mr.
but
Chair,
not
sir.
from the central zone.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, and this happened under your nose, so hindi nyo po alam ito when it happened?
I don't know the wisdom of the Chief PNP and the PAOK why they didn't inform me on during that operation. Maybe because I am on leave, Mr. Chair.
Maybe you're on leave, or maybe, Your Honor, Madam Chair, it is because meron pong pangamba sa inyo that you are part of this. Is that something that you thought about, sir?
I talked to the then former Chief PNP that if he doesn't trust me, he could immediately relieve me from as director of the CIDG. I confronted the former Chief PNP. Kung wala ka ng tiwala sa akin, alisin mo na ako.
And when you confronted him, did he mention na kaya hindi ka in-inform is because you might be part of this? Hindi mo na sinabi yan.
Ang sabi niya lang, nawala sa isip niya dahil nasa live ka naman. So, hindi ko na alam kung sabi niya, sir.
Sir, ano yung connection po ninyo? Kasi last time pinakita yung picture niyo with JP Samson. Anong connection niyo po sa kanya? Magkaibigan po kayo?
Actually, JP Samson, nung unang tinanong yan sa akin sa Kongreso, hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan. But when pinakita yung picture sa screen, I remember him. And then pinakilala lang sa akin as GP Taba or GP Baliwag kasi siya po yung may-ari ng Baliwag Litson. And that was the first time I saw him, Mr. Chair.
So hindi yung kayo matagal nang magkakilala? Wala kayong pinagsamahan na anumang perhaps business interest or anything, sir?
No, Mr. Chair. That was the first time I saw that guy, Mr. Chair.
Sir, may mga last na lang po, Madam Chair, no? May mga binanggit before na when it comes to issuing a search warrant, merong advice from PAOK, from CIDG, I don't know who it is, advise them not to apply for a search warrant to raid Zone U1, Pogo in Bamban. Are you aware of this, sir?
I do not, I'm not aware of that information, sir.
You will never advise anyone, specifically PAOK, not to apply for a search warrant in Zone U1, Your Honor. Just for the record.
Wala pong ganyan, sir, at hindi ko po under ang PAOK. So, ang director ng CIDG have no power or no reason to
Yes, that's
the
why
PAOK.
my question is,
Yes.
there is no advice whatsoever coming from your
That's correct,
end.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and perhaps
Salamat.
we'll ask PAOK later on
Yes.
during my time. Thank you.
Salamat, Senator Joel. Yes, gusto ko lang ipaalala na pagkatapos ng chair, ito po yung flow na susundan natin. So pagkatapos ko, si SP Pro Tempore, Majority Leader, Senator Sherwin, Senator Joel, and okay, wala na si Minority. Alright. General Karamat, gaano po kayo ka-close kay Mayor Kalugay? At gaano katagal na po kayo magkakilala?
Mayor Dong Kalugay was a former policeman and we
Yes.
were assigned in the same police provincial office in Lingayen, Pangasinan. And hindi pa yan, Mayor, kakilala ko na po, Mr. Chair.
Ganong katagal na po? Ilang taon na?
Mga 10 years, I think, or maybe more, Mr.
more.
Chair.
So higit pa po sa isang dekada?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alright po. Mayor Kalugay, kayo naman po, anong link nyo kay General Karamat?
Bilang superior ko po, ganun lang po dati.
Superior nyo?
Hindi naman po kami nagkasama po sa isang opisina pero
Aha.
assign po ako ng Provincial Police Office po.
Okay. Yung sinabi din nila na PPO Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Tama po, Madam Chair.
Okay po. Magkakilala po ba sina General Karamat at si Go Huaping?
Hindi ko po alam, Madam Chair.
Or naging topic po ba ng pag-uusap nyo ni General Karamat si Go Huaping?
Hindi rin po, Madam Chair.
May chance ba na pinakilala nyo ba silang dalawa sa isa't isa?
Wala pong ganong pinakilala ko po, Madam Chair.
Walang ganon. Miss Kath, nakilala nyo po ba yung mga ibang associates ni Go Huaping, ni dating Mayor Alice Go?
Saan po, Your Honor?
Sa trabaho, nakilala nyo ba yung mga kasosyo niya sa negosyo?
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
Nakilala nyo ba si Huang Ziyang?
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
Si Zhang Ruijin, nakilala mo ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Si Zhang Jie, nakilala mo ba sa
Hindi
trabaho?
po, Your Honor.
Si Cassie Leong, siguro naman, nakilala nyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. Si Attorney Harry Roque, nakilala mo sa
Hindi
trabaho.
po, Your Honor.
Si General Karamat, nakilala mo ba sa trabaho?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Yan. And, si Duan Ren Wu, nakilala mo ba sa trabaho nyo? Miss Kath?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Oh, nakilala nyo si Cassandra Leong, di ba?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam yung...
No. Kanina sabi mo nakilala mo si Cassie Leong.
Yes po, si Ma'am
Yes.
Cassie po.
So, nakilala nyo rin si Duan Ren Wu. Kasi sabay silang pumupunta sa...
Sa name po, Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Sa pag pinakita po yung picture, kilala.
Okay, mamaya may ipapakita kaming photo na magkasama po sila.
Sige.
At kasama mo si tama po ba na magkasama kayo ni Miss Sheila at ni Miss Cassie sa biyahe? Sa Taiwan po.
Your Honor, hindi po namin kasama si Ma'am Cassie po sa Taiwan.
Wala si Cassie sa Taiwan,
Yes
si
po,
Miss
Your
Cassie.
Honor.
Pero kasama nyo si Miss Sheila
Yes po,
sa
Your
biyahe
Honor.
sa Taiwan.
Opo, Your Honor.
And si Guo Huaping.
Yes po.
Alright. Yes,
Just
Senator
to
Sherwin.
Since we're already asking si Kathy, si Mayor Kalugay, nakilala niyo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Doon sa, kasi natanong ni Senator Jinggoy na 2017,
Opo.
nag-start ka kay Ms. Guo Huaping. Si Mayor Kalugay, nakilala mo since 2017?
Siguro po, Your Honor, mga 2022 po. Parang
2020?
Yes
Ano
po,
ang pagkakilala mo sa kanya?
nung in-invite po siya ni Ma'am sa sa parade po na, doon ko po siya nakita.
In-invite siya sa parade.
Yes po.
At ilang beses mo siyang nakilala?
Siguro po, Your Honor, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, 5 to 6 po. Doon ko po siya na-meet. 5 to 6 po.
Kanina mayroong mga tanong si Senator Jinggoy about yung kanilang romantic relationship. Meron ka bang ganun na nakita?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala ka na ganun nakita?
Yes,
Wala
po,
kang
Your
na... Hindi naman masama magkaroon ng romantic relationship, ha? Walang batas na nagbabawal at nagva-violate kung meron kang romantic relationship, whether official, unofficial, MU, holding hands, walang violation yun. Kaya walang masama kung sabihin mo meron. Kaya ang tanong namin, meron ka bang nakitang in your opinion na mukhang romantic relationship sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, yan.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, di nila papakita sa'yo.
Salamat, Senator
Madam Chair,
Sherwin.
can I just one last
Yes,
dun sa
Senator
kay
Joel.
Kat? Kasi binanggit mo yung relationship nyo na nakikita mo si Mayor Kalugay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ka magtataka dun. Kami kasi first time lang namin makita yung mga pictures and all na pinakita ni Sen Jinggoy, Sen Risa, etc. Pati yung mga dokumento, etc. Nakikita sila together, etc. Kami, may nagbubuo na sa aming isip. Sa'yo wala talagang nabuo sa isip mo na maaari na meron silang relasyon?
Your Honor, wala po.
Engagement sa negosyo, wala ka rin alam?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Ito na lang yung last question ko. Bakit may number ka ni Kat, ni Cheryl?
Binigay po ni Ma'am Alice.
Doon lang siya binigay yung number ni Kat?
Sorry po, Your
Isang beses mo lang tinawagan si Kat? Never mo siyang nakausap before that call when you ask her for a lawyer that would notarize this public document?
Hindi po siya first time, Your
So
Honor.
maraming beses na.
Madalang po.
Madalang, mga ilang beses yung madalang?
Siguro, kapag may ano lang po si Ma'am Alice.
May instruction
Yes
lang.
po. Pero
So-
madalang lang
So
po.
ibig sabihin, Miss Kat, even before na tinawagan mo si Cheryl, magkakilala na kayo.
Opo, kilala ko po siya.
Nagtatawagan na kayo.
Yes po, Your Honor,
Thank
pero
you.
madalang po.
Sige po, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Senator Joel. Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Mayor Kalugay, may kilala ka bang Roderick Rancapolio? Alias Pong.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ano siya? Empleyado sa munisipyo?
Empleyado po ng munisipyo, Your Honor.
Pero empleyado sa munisipyo pero inassign mas bodyguard ni Mamalis?
Hindi ko po inassign, Your Honor.
Ano? Ba't lagi siya nasa kay Ma'am Alice? Alice, kilala mo?
Buhaping.
Send dun sa name po, hindi ko po kilala po.
Nasa may picture na. Naling lang ha. Kunin ko lang yung picture. Ano yung picture? Hindi. Ito. Ito. Alice. Go whopping. Ito. Ako tignan mo.
Kasi hindi ko po kilala.
Ha? Anyway,
That's why I said, sir, that the intelligence community are still
Verifying.
is still verifying it. They have to confirm it yet. But
Okay. Madam Chair, before you proceed, I would like to move that we invite the partner of Mayor Kalugay in the next hearing, since Mayor Kalugay mentioned that he has a partner who seems to be running the business interests of the mayor. And according to him, his partner is also the person mentioned by Mayor Kalugay, who knows the buyer of Happy Penguin, yung Veronica Soriano.
Mayor,
I so move, Madam Chair.
yes, SP Pro Tempore. Naisulat niyo na po ba, Mayor, yung pangalan nila sa papel?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Okay, sabihin mo na, our minority leader is requesting us, you to mention the name of your partner. How will we find out?
Naisulat ko na po, Your Honor.
Iimbitahin naman, ba't di rin sabihin yung pangalan?
So, sa susunod na pagdinig, iimbitahin namin natin ang partner ni Mayor Kalugay para sumagot sa mga tanong ng mga senadora. Comsec, ibabalik ko po itong papel sa iyo.
Madam Chair, and with the indulgence of our colleagues,
Senator Joel.
in the name of fairness, Madam Chair, we have here with us General Karamat, and I also agree with Senator Jinggoy. Ayaw ho natin madungisan yung pangalan ng ating kapulisan. Ayaw din nating just draw conclusion right away na merong ganito, merong ganyan. And we have heard a lot of rumors, etc. Pero this time may mga affidavits, may mga na-interview po tayo na lumalabas yung pangalan ni General Karamat. And yung last hearing, lumabas din po yung pictures, etc. So in the name of fairness, perhaps, Madam Chair, we can give a time and we let General Karamat also speak and defend himself, and at the same time, perhaps if he knows anything about all these rumors that even a former PNP chief is also part of this brouhaha, Your Honors, please.
Senator Joel, may General Karamat, meron ba kayong gustong sabihin sa komiteng ito sa investigasyon namin?
Madam Chairman and honorable members of this committee, good afternoon, sir. Sir, as for the information that there was an involvement of a former chief PNP, I haven't got any information regarding that on that matter, sir, ma'am.
Your Honor, you are a police commander of PNP Northern Luzon. when the time na nagkaroon po ng raid yung PAOK dito sa Zunyuan. Is that correct, sir?
No, Mr. Chair,
Hindi po kayo.
I was in the criminal investigation and director of the
sa
CIDG,
po kayo.
Mr.
Sa CIDG
Chair.
po. Pero by that time po, may humingi ba sa inyong tulong? Or you heard about this raid, sir?
Actually, when I was duly designated as the director of the CIDG, we raided Pogo in Banban, the first time that the Pogo in Banban was raided.
Kayo po yung nasa Northern Luzon?
No,
Hindi po.
no, Mr.
pa
Chair,
lang.
I was the director, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, so when the time came na yung PAOK TF